अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज मतलब जो हमारा वीडियो है वो इस मतलब कुकिंग सेंटेंस के हवाले से है कि मतलब आप किस तरह जो मतलब कुकिंग कर रहे होते हैं उसको कैसे आप जो है इंग्लिश सेंटेंस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो आप मतलब कुकिंग करते हुए भी जो है इंग्लिश इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। मतलब आप जो कुक कर रहे होते हैं उसके हवाले से कैसे मतलब आप जो इंग्लिश में बातचीत करके उसकी जो मतलब डिटेल में आप जो बता सकते हैं। तो इन सेंटेंस में हम आपको कुकिंग सेंटेंस मतलब सिखाएंगे कि आप कुकिंग करते हुए मतलब किचन में भी जो है वो आप इंग्लिश यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हो तो इसको सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। तो चलिए अब हम अपना जो वो लेक्चर आज का स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले है ग्रिलिंग। आई एम ग्रिलिंग द चिकन्स। आई एम ग्रिलिंग द चिकन्स फॉर डिनर। Carving, I am carving the turkey. I am carving the turkey for the holiday meal. Dicing, I am dicing potatoes. I am dicing potatoes for the hash browns. Peeling, I am peeling potatoes. I am peeling potatoes to prepare them for cooking. Cutting, I am cutting carrots. I am cutting carrots to add to the stew. Slicing, I am slicing tomatoes. I am slicing tomatoes for the sandwich. Peeling, I am peeling bananas. I am peeling banana to make bananas custard. Grating, I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese to sprinkle on the pasta. Frying, I am frying eggs. I am frying eggs for breakfast. Poaching, I am poaching eggs. I am poaching eggs to serve with toast. Spreading, I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter on the bread. Whisking, I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs to make an omelette. Flipping, I am flipping pancakes. I am flicking pancakes to cook to the other circles. Scramble, I am crumbing eggs for the breakfast burrito. Boiling, I am boiling eggs. I am boiling eggs to make deviled eggs. Roasting, I am roasting vegetables. I am roasting vegetables for a healthy side dish. Toasting, I am toasting bread. I am toasting bread for the sandwich. Cracking, I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs to make a cake batter. Boiling, I am boiling waters. I am boiling waters to make pasta. Brewing, I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee to start the day. Adding, I am adding sugars. I am adding sugars to the tea to sweeten it. Blending, I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothies for a refreshing drink. Squeezing, I am squeezing lemon juice. I am squeezing lemon juice to make lemonade. Shootings, I am shooting onion. I am shooting onion and garlic to start the sauce. Carameling, I am caramelizing sugars. I am caramelizing sugars to make caramel. Punching, I am punching salt into the soup. I am punching salt into the soup to enhance the flavor. Rolling, I am rolling out the dough. I am rolling out the dough to make pizza custard. Stirring, I am stirring the soup. I am stirring the soup to mix the ingredient. Whipping, I am whipping cream. I am whipping creams to make whipped cream. Draining, I am draining the cooked pasta. I am draining the cooked pasta to serve with sauce. Peeling, I am peeling orange. I am peeling orange to eat as a snack. Sprinkling, I am sprinkling herbs on the pizza. I am sprinkling herbs on the pizza for added flavor. Spotting, I am spotting egg whites. I am spotting eggs whites and egg yolks for the recipes. Baking, I am baking a chocolate cake. I am baking a chocolate cake for dessert. Picking, I am picking fresh herbs. I am picking fresh herbs from the garden. Marinating, I am marinating the steak. I am marinating the steak to enhance the flavor. Mashing, I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes to make mashed potatoes. Ladling, I am ladling the soap into bowls. I am ladling the soaps into bowls to serve. Grilling, I am grilling fish flats. I am grilling fish flats for dinner. Tasting, I am tasting the sauce. I am tasting the sauce to check the seasoning. Shifting, I am shifting the flour. I am shifting the flours to remove lumps for the cake batter. Decorated, I am decorating cake pans, cupcakes. I am decorated cupcakes for the party. Slicing, I am slicing the cake. I am slicing the cake to serve to guests. Filing, I am filing the jars. I am filling the jars with homeland jams. Melting, I am melting chocolates. I am melting chocolates to make a ganj. Basting, I am basting the turkey. I am basting the turkey to keep it moist. Pouring, I am pouring milk. I am pouring milk into the kettle. Stirring, I am stirring the batters. I am stirring the batters for the cake. Licking, I am licking chocolate cream. I am licking chocolate cream from the spoon. Chilling, I am chilling the drinks. I am chilling the drinks for the party. Roasting, I am roasting a turkey. I am roasting a turkey for the holiday dinners. Mixing, I am mixing the ingredients. I am mixing the ingredients for the dough. Tenderizing, I am tenderizing the meat with a melt. I am tenderizing the meat with a melt for the most. Arrange, I am arrange sushi rolls on the platters. Dipping, I am dipping cream. I am dipping cream to decorate the cake. Preserving, I am preserving cucumbers. I am preserving cucumbers to make pickles. Steaming, I am steaming the seafood. I am steaming the seafoods for the dinner. Candying, I am candying the bread of. I am candying the bread of to make bread. Sitting, I am sitting the table. I am setting the table for dinners. Deglazing, I am deglazing the pan. I am deglazing the pan to make a sauce. Enjoying, I am enjoying a homeland pizza night. I am enjoying a homeland pizza night with friends. I am mixing salads with various grains. I am mixing salads with various green for lunch. Shaking, I am shaking cocktails with ice. I am shaking cocktails with ice for the party. Washing, I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands for cooking. Arranging, I am arranging the cookies on the baking sheet. I am arranging the cooking on the baking sheets before baking. Crushing, I am crushing garlic. I am crushing garlic to add to the sauce. Wrapping, I am wrapping I am wrapping the duff in cleaning film to rest. Shivering, I am shivering vegetables. I am shivering vegetables for the grill. Scooping, I am scooping ice cream. I am scooping ice cream into bowls. Kneading, I am kneading dough. I am kneading dough to make fresh bread. Zesting, I am zesting a lemon. I am zesting a lemon to add flavor to the cake. Roasting, I am roasting almonds. I am roasting almonds to use as a snack. Drizzling, I am drizzling olive oil. I am drizzling olive oil over the salad. Chopping, I am chopping parsley. I am chopping parsley to garnish the dish. Stuffing, I am stuffing peppers. I am stuffing peppers with rice and vegetables. Browning, I am browning ground beef. I am browning ground beef for the tacos. Folding, I am folding egg whites. I am folding egg whites into the batter to make it light and fluffy. Glazing, I am glazing the ham. I am glazing the ham for the holiday dinners. Garling, I am garling the chickens. I am garling the chickens for dinner. Curving, I am curving the turkey. I am curving the turkey for the holidays. Dicing, I am dicing potatoes. I am dicing potato for the hash browns. यह था हमारा आज का लेक्चर। उम्मीद है कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा और मतलब इसमें जो आप जो रूटीन में जो मतलब आप कुकिंग वगैरह कर रहे होते हैं तो किस तरह मतलब आप उनको वर्ब से मतलब उनके सेंटेंस कैसे बना सकते हैं, तो आप वोकैबरी वगैरह भी साथ मतलब आपको बताइए कि वोकैबरी से आप सेंटेंस किस तरह मतलब उनको बना सकते हैं, उनको वोकैबरी का किस तरह आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो इस वीडियो में हम आपको मतलब इस बारे में बताया कि आप वोकैबरी को मतलब सेंटेंस में इस तरह आप उनका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं कुकिंग करते हुए भी। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसको लाइक कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल। ओके जी, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।